Hi, I am Vimal Aswath. I am going to teach for 10th standard. The chapter is triangles. Here in this figure, LM parallel to AB. LM parallel to AB. If AL equal to x minus 3, AL equal to x minus 3 and AC equal to 2x, BM equal to x minus 2, BC equal to x plus 3, find the value of x. We have to find the value of x. Here it is LM is parallel to AB. Therefore, by basic proportionality theorem, what you get is AL by LC equal to BM by MC. BM by MC. Here LC how we can write as? Here we are in the problem it is not given LC. So we have to write AL by AL is given, AL equal to x minus 3, AL by LC we can write as AC, AC is given, AC minus AL, AC minus AL, AC minus AL. So next here, in the same way here BM is given but MC is not given. So MC equal to BC minus BM, BC minus BM. Next we have to substitute the values. AL equal to x minus 3. AC equal to 2x minus AL equal to x minus 3. Next here BM equal to x minus 2. Then BC equal to 2x plus 3. Then here x minus 2 minus x minus 2. Now you have to simplify. How do you get x minus 3 divided by here 2x minus x. Therefore, this x. Then here minus minus plus. Though x plus 3. Here it is x minus 2 divided by here 2x. Here minus x. So x. Then plus 3. Here plus 2 plus 5. X plus 5. Next cross multiplying x minus 3 into x plus 5. Here it is equal to x minus 2 into x plus 3. So what do you get? X square minus 3x square minus 3x, then 5x plus 5x minus 15. Here it is equal to x square minus 2x, then plus 3x minus 6. Here x square get cancelled. Here minus 3x plus 5x it is equal to 2x minus 15. Here it is equal to x minus 6. Now here x we bring here, this one here. So 15 minus 6 it is equal to 15 minus x equal to 9. So here x equal to 9. So we found the value of x. So here we are using basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.